Alright. Got us a nice little project here for outside in the morning. Show you what I'm up to. Just a quick little job, nothing too big. Just measuring this stuff off. I'll show you what I'm doing. Nice little cut here. Put it there. Put it up. Don't want to go too deep. Don't want to go. Measuring 1 foot at a time. Too deep on this one. That's how easy it comes up. We'll spread some of this stuff around underneath. Help level it out. Corners. Serious. See how it fits. Perfect. Just hanging out just above the ground where I want it. There we go. These are about a foot apart, foot wide each. And the next one up here. 9 feet. I'll get it in line with the other one. Eyeball it. Looks good right there. Cut into the grass. Quarter of an inch maybe outside the block. Nice beautiful day here. Absolutely no wind, no clouds in the sky. Mosquito biting me. The lawn's a little damp. That's okay. A little moisture is good. Helps back a little bit better. it. Pretty much the gist of it. All the way back. Summertime, I like to wear my bandana. Get it nice and wet. Keeps me cool. But most important, it keeps the damn sweat out of my eyes. I hate that more than anything. And there you go. It's all finished. It's not perfect, but it'll do. Not bad. Just using a tape measure. I wasn't going to go through, if I really wanted to get crazy and had somebody who was really picky, and there are a lot of people who are picky, but if you try to do it perfect and you get it really good, usually most people are happy. That's just a simple little job I had to do. Took the dirt. All I had was my tape measure, that little square-ended shovel. I use it for a lot of things. Just threw the dirt over here along the shed where the customer wanted it, and boom, I'm done. Let's see, what's the time?